Position?
Position!
Okay, our instructors and volunteers from Red Cross will assist you yung proper hand placement. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Push harder. 2, 3, 4, Push harder! Thank you very much, our dear participants. Thank you also to our Secretary General. Wait na yung pasyente. Okay, yung mga participants na nakapag-try na, kayo naman po yung pupunta sa site. Yung mga kanina pong naka-standby, sila naman yung pupunta doon sa ating mga DIY mannequins. Switch naman po, switch. Prepare natin yung audio ng Staying Alive. Thank you. Look for your cherry cans.
Clear natin yung center area for the rest of mag-perform Europe Choir, other Red Cross Fund for the volunteers.
Other participants, look for your jerry cans. Find a spot so that everyone can try. Sige po.
Meron pa po mga vehicle.
Find a spot.
Ano ng plano?
Ha?
Anong plano?
Anong aeroplano natin ngayon? Kasi iba dyan, uwi-uwi na.
Ano gusto niyo inumin?
Hay!
Yung malamig, yun, yung juice na malamig. Lemon or buko.
Kala ko yung biryani yung itatay
Oo, sarap dun, yung kabab.
While we are preparing, may request lang ako. Pwede ba, yung
Tignan mo kayo. Tignan mo yung ano.
Ayan.
Dito tayo mahangin.
Last.
Wala na akong turmeric sa bahay eh. Kailangan kong bumili ng turmeric.
Okay, stop.
Wait, stop.
Cardiac arrest can happen anytime, anywhere. You can help save lives with a few simple steps of hands-only CPR. If you see an adult or an adolescent suddenly collapse, immediately check the scene for safety. Step 1. Check the person. Immediately approach the victim maintaining a safe distance to start your assessment. Assess if the patient responds to you by asking, "Are you okay?" Step 2. If the person does not respond, call Red Cross 143 or 911 for help. Step 3. If you or the patient is not wearing a mask, cover your face with a cloth or face mask. Step 4. Prepare to give chest compression. Place the patient in lying position and kneel beside the patient. Position the heel of one of your hands at the center of the chest and place the other hand on top. Interlace your fingers and lock. Straighten your elbows and lean slightly forward directly over the chest. Push at the depth of 2 to 2.4 inches with a rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute. Step 5. Connect the patient to the automated external defibrillator or AED when available. Do not stop until the patient shows signs of life or until help arrives. Saving a person's life through CPR is simplified with 5 C's. If, by any chance, someone experiences a cardiac arrest, remember to check, call, cover, compress, connect. Be CPR trained, train with us, and help save lives.
Ating lahat, July 17, Happy CPR Day po. Palakpakan naman po natin.